Welcome to Pure Octane Garage, where we cover everything automotive.
Right, like product reviews, detailing, how-to tips,
events, toys, games, and even news.
So please like, subscribe,
and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out.
Right, we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.
So Brandon, what do we got today?
We're back to Turtle Wax.
Oh yeah.
We said we were coming back with it. Third review of a product, right?
Those hybrid solutions, that whole product line is really interesting.
It is, and probably the one we knew right away we'd be most interested in, ceramic spray coating.
Yeah.
We love that. We've really gotten onto our hydrosilix ceramic spray coating. So,
yeah, check out the video here.
Yep. We love that product, so let's see if Turtle Wax can edge in there.
Let's see how
do as well. I'm gonna guess it's in here.
It is. We already told them what's in the bag.
Yeah, so there's no surprise here, other than Amazon's weird packaging for.
Yeah, let's talk about that for just a second.
Like this.
Check this out. They send a bottle of liquid in an envelope.
I'm like, yeah, it's bubble, but come on.
I'm surprised it survived.
I'm gonna guess, based on Amazon reviews, a lot of people don't survive, and then they ding the product, and it's not the product.
Yeah, that is funny. Brandon pointed out a review of this very product on Amazon.
1 star.
1 star.
Because it leaked.
Because the bottle was cracked and leaked.
That's why.
It's not their fault. Come on, Amazon.
Anyways, let's talk about the hybrid solutions. Ceramic spray coating.
We used the hybrid solutions 3-in-1 detailer,
right?
And we used it as a waterless wash. It was kind of our test of the waterless wash part of it. You can find that video here, right above Brandon's head.
There's another video up there.
And then we used their polishing compound, right?
Right. Yep, and that actually added a tad bit of protection.
It did.
To the hood, as well as preparing it for this step.
So check that video out here if you haven't seen that one.
Again, over the head.
It's a good product. And
then now we're going to add this video.
Yep. So now we've got the ceramic spray coating.
All right, so let's delve into it here. I'm going to share the Turtle Wax website. Let's talk about it, and then we'll, of course, go in real-world application. Easy on, easy off, even in direct sunlight. Amazing results on paint, metal, plastic, and glass in minutes. In direct sunlight.
Yeah.
That's huge. Because I haven't seen any of the products offer direct sunlight application.
Yeah, generally it's like, you know, use in a shaded area. I mean,
no, I probably still will.
Yeah,
but that could be a torture test or something. We see if it works in direct sunlight. Today we do not have. We've got overcast.
Superior shine, gloss, and depth of color from synthetic wax.
Right.
It says durable protection from SiO infusion. So it definitely has the SiO2 infused into the product.
And the wax.
We discussed and the wax.
That. Turtle Wax.
Yeah, Turtle Wax
has
to have wax. Yeah. Right.
Smart.
And then it says that repel water and contaminants with super hydrophobic polymers. Whew, that's a mouthful.
It's a little sciencey.
Super hydrophobic polymers.
And expanding on that on their website, super hydrophobic and SiO2 polymers, what I liked, unique blend delivers insane water-beating, chemical-resistant protection for up to, with an asterisk, 12 months.
But how do you get the 12 months, though? It does, well, we'll get to that, too.
I think it tells you, yeah.
We can mention it. It said you can apply a second layer.
So a second on top of your first.
A second coat, and for up to 12 months of protection.
That's cool. That's easy enough.
At least according to the bottle, that's the way it says. Apply a second coat for 12 months of protection.
There you go.
So there is a cure time as well.
Before you apply that second coat, right? And we'll touch on that outside when we spray on there. Airplanes again.
Can you use this on airplanes? I would guess, why not? You know, it would protect an airplane, right?
Anyways, I think that covers most. There is a question we did pose to Turtle Wax. We haven't heard back. And this is a biggie. We always talk about UV protection. We're sticklers on that.
Yeah,
we want UV protection.
Being here in Arizona, where we've got more sunny days than cloudy days.
360 sunny days a year.
Yeah, so
today's not one.
Lots of high UV.
Yeah, so it's important to us. So we asked Turtle Wax. We reached out and asked if that's included in the formula. So we'll let you know. We haven't heard back yet.
Yeah, we haven't been able to find any direct reference to protection from UV.
I'm gonna guess it probably does, but we'll see.
Let's head over to the hood.
Let's do it.
And
spray some polymers.
That's right.
All right, Ryan, so first and foremost, we do have, as the last video showed, we put the ceramic polish and wax on this entire hood.
Yeah, check out the video here.
Again, over my head. So that's been done to this. Still has slickness, has been through a couple rainstorms in the last week. So this is on there, but we need to clean it and prepare for the ceramic spray. All right, let's rinse this hood off. Start there. As you can see, we still have good sheeting action from just that polish. I suspect that will get better with the ceramic spray coat. Hood washed, rinsed. Now we shall dry it. Ceramic spray coating time.
Okay, now here's where we got directions. Yeah, read the instructions because they do talk about not overusing the product.
Right, light use. All right, we're gonna start with directions. Wash and dry car. Hey, we did that.
Okay.
Shake well. That's good. For best results, do not over apply this high active formula. Use 2 sprays per panel. Okay, so 1, 2. Wow, that's kind of.
Or should we divide this into
halves?
Yeah.
Spread and wipe with a clean folded microfiber cloth. Boom. Use a separate. Boom. Microfiber cloth to remove. Fold cloth is needed. Obviously, we know to do that if it gets saturated. Flip. For best performance, paint should be free of oxidation and surface contaminants, which we did with our what? Polishing?
Yep.
Clay or polish. Finish first if needed. Apply a second coat for 12 months of protection. Use a damp microfiber cloth to remove high spots or streaking. Can be used on wheels, exterior glass, and plastics. Do not use on convertible tops. Flexible formula can be layered, which we just talked about. Allow paint to cure 24 hours before washing and applying an additional coat. Use hybrid solution ceramic 3-in-1 detailer and hybrid solution ceramic wash and wax to maintain this shine and protection. Well, I think we got it then. Another shake.
So we'll just count each half of the hood as a panel.
Yeah, so 2 sprays per half. That's kind of a half spray. There. Smell? I can't smell it.
How does it smell?
Ooh, it's that same good fruitiness. You gotta get down.
Oh yeah, I can.
Got it now.
There, I flipped the towel.
Okay, so looks to be like it's going on like every ceramic coating, spray ceramic coating, right? That we're used to.
Yeah. Now again, we are out in the direct sunlight, like it said you can do.
Yeah.
But it is overcast.
So you can see there's a little sun coming through. It is streaking.
Because it's drying. I've gone over this, what, 4 or 5 times already here, so.
But I see instant gloss, yes.
Again,
we'll use the damp towel test.
Yeah, I'm just curious. Let's see what it looks like if we apply water. We haven't applied any of the ceramic spray coating to that side yet. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, let's torture it.
Okay, we're not gonna do the cure.
We're not gonna wait 24 hours. We're just gonna
see if there's
this.
some instant protection.
I'm just curious, and then we can dry it and reapply.
Yeah, and give it the full treatment.
It sure does feel. It feels extremely slick.
I'm like, because we have a little slickness here from the ceramic polish.
From the ceramic polish and
way
wax.
Slicker.
But yeah, you can actually, wow. I mean, this feels really good over here, but this feels really slick.
Very easy to apply though. Keep in mind the damp cloth. You're gonna need it, I think. All right, here goes.
Just kind of curious.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look how fine the beading action is.
More sheeting here.
Oh yeah, we didn't give it the 24-hour cure time. But now we'll dry the hood, we'll apply it to the whole thing.
All right, so we'll go ahead and apply 2 sprays to the next side here.
Just don't let it dry.
Move quickly since we are working in the sun. See if we can avoid that streaking, but I'm gonna guess no. Oh yeah, it goes on super easy to apply though. Just flip the towel over. And I do foresee needing the damp
I see
cloth.
streaking in this area, but again, damp microfiber took care of that, no problem before.
So after 2 rounds of that, I'm gonna 100% say you're probably gonna need that damp microfiber on you. You can see where you applied it easily though. All right, the whole thing.
So the streakiness is very easy to get rid of if you do have any. Both times we applied it, it did streak a little bit.
Yep, we did run into streaking, but it obviously it mentions that on the bottle, so.
And it does work, the damp microfiber. Again, I think we would recommend doing this in your garage, in a shaded area.
Because the hood is warm, even though it's December.
It's December.
We don't have super intense sun.
And we've got about 61 degrees.
But it's enough to warm the hood, that sun. So.
And I noticed the product was just drying really quickly before you could really even it out on the surface.
So recommendation, as always, we say in shade if possible.
And have that damp microfiber at the ready.
Dang, that feels good though. Wow. I mean, ice skating.
It is super slick. Super duper duper slick.
So, yeah, we'll let this 24-hour cure time on this.
Yep.
And then next video, we're going to be maintaining this coating with Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions product. So, we'll show you real quick. This product will make a comeback.
Yep, because we tested the waterless wash capabilities.
Right.
The video. Check out the video
up here.
and now we'll the next round we'll check its detailing ability as a detail spray, right?
We'll give it a little detail spray and obviously a boost with this product. So that'll be next video. All right, Ryan. So there you go. We just put the Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating on our hood out there, and great results, right?
Yes. And again, we were applying the product in direct sunlight. The hood was warming up after we washed it.
Definitely. And
we noticed a little bit of streaking, but again, Turtle Wax did recommend just going over it with a damp microfiber, and it worked. It eliminated the streaking. There.
Yeah. But so that worked really well. And then also we talked about try to put it on in the shade if you can.
Yeah.
It'd really be better.
Definitely recommend just doing it in the shade. And again, I would do a small area at a time.
Yes.
I even think like we divided the hood into 2. I would even say dividing our hood like that.
You could even do 3 sections maybe.
3 or even into quarters.
Yeah. And then I also, that first application, a little bit too much product too, I think, when I sprayed that on there.
But it was kind of a good test to see how you can, again, even it out if there is some streaking.
Yeah, actually, I'm glad that happened to see how easy it is to correct. So, oh, and the gloss and the slickness, whoa.
Yeah, the results were phenomenal.
Oh my gosh, like, it's slick. We'll put another coat on after it cures for its 24 hours.
Yeah, again, there's a 24-hour recommended cure time. So before applying an additional coat.
Or washing.
Or washing, yes.
So we'll wash it up here in 24 hours, put on another coat, and go from there. And then that's going to lead us to our next video, where we're going to bring back the 3-in-1 ceramic detailer to maintain this coating.
Yep, and we'll see how it helps to maintain that coating. Now again, we've already tested the waterless wash capabilities of this 3-in-1 detail spray.
We've got Rejuvenate, Shine, and Protection, Safe Waterless Cleaning. Okay, so we got our waterless wash, right? And then better than your standard detailer, easy spray formula infused with super hydrophobic SiO2 polymers, creating durable protection. So I'm going to take that as like a boosted detail spray. Formulated with ceramic infused wax that stands up to environmental conditions even with regular washings.
So basically they're saying it's a waterless wash, a detail spray,
and a wax.
And a wax for protection.
Right. I think it's kind of all there in one.
Yeah, and I guess it would just help boost the longevity of the actual ceramic spray coating.
When you're done washing, use that.
So if you were to use these products together, your finish on your vehicle should be extremely
hydrophobic
and well protected.
Well protected, yes. And they do have 2 other products that we have not used, but we felt like these were the 3 core products.
These are the ones that we just felt made the most sense in our workflow.
Yeah.
With the ceramic polish and wax, and then of course the ceramic spray coating, and then obviously the
maintenance
in between washes to help maintain that coating. The other products, there's a wash,
which makes sense. Use the wash and then probably use that after.
Yep.
Done with the wash. Apparently the wash has some ceramic SiO2 in the wash as well. And the other one was a ceramic wet wax, which I guess is meant to be applied as a drying aid while the vehicle's wet. So I think it's kind of depending what you want to use it for, how you like to use things. Again, for us, this felt like the best combination. I could see using the wash and wax liquid soap for washing too.
So again, if you're using all these products, your vehicle's
it's going to stand out.
Yeah, your vehicle's going to be protected and very shiny.
I hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to click the like button if you liked it. Subscribe.
And tell your friends.
Please share.
And please let us know what your experience with these products are.
Yeah.
They've been really easy to use so far.
Turtle Wax is doing really well. We're pleased to see what's going on here with the Ice line and then now this Hybrid Solutions line. So
yeah, I mean, good price points and easy to use.
Yeah, and obviously some big bottles for that one. Actually, they're all good size when you look at them. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it, and look forward to seeing if you like this or not, and watch our other videos. Thanks.
Later. Superior.
Hydrophobic.
Synthetic.
Polymers.
Infusion.
Repellency.